to other stories now, and the Bono Regional Director of Health Services, Dr. Fred Adumako-Boateng, has said that there is the need to intensify calls for preventive methods for various medical conditions, including HIV, as the region's HIV prevalence has over the past few years been higher than the national average. He was speaking at the back of a recent publication that reviewed that a total of 23,495 people tested positive for HIV in the first half of this year. My colleague Anas Sabet has more in the following report.
Ghana recorded a total of 23,495 positive HIV cases within the first half of the year. A situation health authorities say is as a result of complacency and ignorance, as little is being done with regards to sensitization since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Here in the Bono East region, the prevalence of HIV for the past few years has been higher than that of the national average. Dr. Fred Adumako-Boateng is the Regional Director of Health Services.
If you look at the statistics for HIV, especially you look at the prevalence, you will see Bono East, we are on the higher side if you compare to the national figure. For instance, 2019, the prevalence, HIV prevalence for Bono East was 2.5 as compared to the country, which is 2. And then fast forward, if you look at our prevalence for 2020, Bono East was 3.5 as compared to a national figure of 2. And that has been the trend.
Dr. Fred Adumako-Boateng attributed the economic vibrancy of the region coupled with its location as key contributing factors to the higher prevalence of HIV in the region.
We have a number of reasons, and we also fall in the category of some other special regions, looking at where we are situated geographically in the country, and more especially looking at the business economic vibrancy of Bono East. You see, almost if you want to go from north to south, south to north, you want to go to Burkina and almost all the cars are passing through here. So you can see that aspect. If you are talking about big markets in West Africa, we are also there. You look at Tachiman market, and it's touted that almost everybody comes from West Africa to this market.
Regarding the viral suppression stage, where 95% of those positive are expected to be placed on medication to ensure that the disease is no longer transmissible, Dr. Adumako-Boateng revealed that only 41% of those on medication have reached the suppression stage.
In terms of the 95, where the challenge is really for us is the suppression. Only 41% of the 91% of those who have been put on the antiretroviral therapy, really, we have been able to get suppression. And there are a lot of issues there that we are trying to address.